This is a video presentation of the ST30SSY. It's a 2013. It's got the larger turret on it. It is a live tool machine. Just going to run it through its paces real quick. Go. Oh, gotta be on. Here's the tool changer. I'm sorry, excuse me, the tailstock. Let me get back over here. We'll do the. Okay. Spindle running. Does have the USB port on it. Does have the Jorgensen chip conveyor on it. And just to verify, this is serial number 3094805. This concludes the video presentation of the 2013 Haas ST30SSY. And just to add to, there is one axial, one radial live tool, miscellaneous ID and OD tooling with the machine as well.